Welcome to the EDGE video tutorial series, Credit Card Processing. In this video, we'll talk about conducting a credit card sale with some of the more commonly used credit card processing equipment. We'll cover using the credit card keypad, canceling and voiding transactions, manual transaction settlement, and types of processor relationships. Conducting a sale for processors who use a card reader with a keypad. Begin by processing a sale through the EDGE. Enter an associate ID, find the customer record, and scan the item. When the customer hands you his or her credit card, select Credit Card from the tender area. The credit card screen will appear. Check the amount due and select OK. That tells the EDGE to start interaction with the card reader. When the EDGE prompts you to do so, swipe the credit card on the card reader. The credit card information will be sent to the processor and returned to the EDGE credit card screen with the authorization code. Verify that tender is complete and select Close. Finish the sale and process the receipt. Conducting a sale for processors who use card readers without a keypad. Begin by processing a sale through the EDGE. Enter the associate ID, find the customer record, and scan the item. When the customer hands you his or her credit card, select Credit Card from the tender area. The credit card screen will appear. Check the amount due and select OK. When the EDGE prompts you to do so, swipe the credit card on the card reader. The card information will be sent to the processor and returned to the EDGE credit card screen with the authorization code. Verify that tender is complete. Finish the sale and process the receipt. Processing a credit card manually. Suppose the credit card's magnetic strip is damaged. Conduct the sale as you normally would. Select Credit Card from the tender area. Select the Manual Entry tab. Click OK to enable the entry fields and tell the EDGE to start interacting with the card reader. Use the keypad to enter the account number, month and year of expiration, the customer's zip code, and the security code from the card. Note that not all keys on the keypad are used with the EDGE. Select OK on the keypad. The EDGE will process the data, populating the fields in the credit card screen. When it is complete, finish the sale by checking the tender amount and clicking Done. For devices without a keypad, manual entry is similar. If you have such a system, process the sale as usual. Select Credit Card, then the Manual Entry tab. Select OK to start the process. The processor's interface will appear, prompting for the required information. Complete the fields and select OK. Offline processing is offered to record non-integrated transactions. If your processor is not integrated, or if you have a card type that is not supported by your processor, for example, GE Money, use offline processing. It can also be useful in the event of a service interruption or other outage. Offline processing only happens within the EDGE. Offline transactions are never sent to the processor. If you are processing offline, be sure to make arrangements to submit those transactions to the appropriate financial institution. Debit card processing. Debit card processing works similarly to credit card processing, except you check the Process as Debit Card option. Complete the transaction, and when prompted, ask the customer to enter the PIN number and press Enter. Continue with the transaction as usual. Settling credit card transactions manually. Depending on your relationship with your processor, settlement is either manual or automated. To settle manually, from the administrative menu, go to Credit Cards and select Daily Settlement. You'll be prompted to do a batch summary. Verify that the dollar amount in the batch matches the credit card activity in the period, and click Close the batch. You'll be prompted to confirm. Note that this will cause the credit card transaction since the last settlement to settle. Canceling a transaction before clicking Done. What if you want to cancel a transaction before you click Done? After the credit card has been processed, Notice the tender line in the bottom middle of the point of sale screen. Select the tender line to be deleted. Use the Delete Line button to delete it. You'll be prompted to confirm the action. Select Yes to confirm. Select another tender method and continue to complete the sale. Note that if you have already clicked Done, you can no longer cancel the transaction as shown here. You will need to make sure the settlement did not go through and void it. Voiding a transaction after authorization, but prior to settlement. What if you want to void a transaction before settlement occurs? Locate the sale using the Receipts button or Find Sale feature. Open the sale record. From the Supervisor menu, click Void Sale. You may be prompted to swipe the credit card. Finish the void as usual. Note that if settlement occurs, your only option is to return the item. Since settlement is frequently automated, we recommend that you always do a return. For processing solutions, there are two options: integrate with an Edge certified partner and BYO, or bring your own processor. The Edge has created integrated partnerships with multiple credit card processing companies. Our team works very closely with each of these partners to maintain a seamless end-to-end experience. All credit card support-related activities are performed by the merchant partner, whose team is trained to support the full integration. Most partners subsidize all or part of the costs. If you choose not to use one of our integrated partners, you may be able to use the solution, which will allow the Edge to work with your processor. That way you work with a familiar, established processing company. However, a bring-your-own relationship would require you to purchase software and hardware and pay setup fees. Obtaining support will require more coordination on your part. Contact the Edge sales team so we can help you select the best partner for you. For most transaction-based questions or issues, contact your credit card processor for assistance. The Edge support team will stand ready to coordinate with them. Thanks for reviewing the credit card processing video tutorial. We hope you'll find this information useful. Feel free to contact us at support@abbottshapiro.com.